Africa, ocean wave 44. We see how America, Europe, Emirates, they make artificial waves at shore, whilst Australia is making one wave at sea. The only one. Whilst in Africa, I was surfing Jeffreys Bay, best wave in the planet. We see how this has generated life around 300 jobs. No, this is just the tip of the iceberg. How many jobs are there at Jeffreys Bay? 5,000? But anyway, let's say 300. So if every 300 meters we do have a wave generated by stones, for example, like in Australia, then we could be having 330 jobs for perpetuity, direct, indirect, 3,600 jobs, multiplied times $20,000 each, or $10,000, whatever the minimum wage is around that country, perpetuity, no more fat people, everybody would be smiling in contact with the sea like we were in our mom's bellies, and we would be floating there so happy, so safe with our mommy. Therefore, that's what surfing is about. Be happy, enjoy, be fit, be healthy, and have jobs. Africa could generate, imagine, the Indian Ocean has a bigger size of waves than the Atlantic, but still is option to have huge kilometers, let's say 4,000 this way and 4,000 that way, that's 8,000 kilometers times 3, every kilometer 3 waves. So imagine these numbers and volumes. If those leaders are interested in the health, in the nature, in the economy of the African inhabitants, then you can copy Albany in Australia and try, because it is no risk about generating artificial coral with stones. Live fish would be around, and also people would be much happier. Think about it, make your numbers, and really invest in the people that vote for you and that pay your wages. Thank you, bye.